Hi everyone, today I bring you a vegetable fry recipe which is healthy. The vegetable used here is lady's finger, otherwise known as okra. The ingredients are 200 gram of diced okra, 1.5 tablespoon of onions, 1 tablespoon of pearl onions, 3 small green chilies, 1 sprig curry leaves, 1 teaspoon crushed garlic, half teaspoon turmeric powder and salt as required. It's totally up to you. If you don't want to use two types of onions, you can just stick on to any one. Although I must say pearl onions are the best. Heat about a tablespoon of olive oil in a pan. Add crushed garlic and saute for about 15 seconds. Gradually add the green chilies and the onions and saute. Somehow my camera got turned off at this part, so you need to add okra, turmeric powder and salt at this time and mix well. Add about 1/4 cup of water and keep the wok closed. Okra cooks pretty fast, so keep checking in between. Do the knife test and then accordingly you can stop cooking the dish. The highlight of the healthy part here is that you're not deep frying the dish. You just need to fry until the water completely vanishes from the wok. And ta-da! We have our healthy okra fry. Hope you liked the video and will definitely give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share and support. Take care. Bye-bye.